Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contour your cheeks, forehead, nose and eyes on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the camera button to take a photo or to the library button to select a picture from your gallery. Click on the retouch section, which is the second option. Then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the contouring button. Select the relevant facial feature down below that you want to contour, such as cheeks. Then zoom in for more precise adjustment, and then brush over that area with your fingers on the screen, and then use the this scale down below to contour that relevant part. You can see how it changes. So if I select another one, for example nose, you can see that you can adjust the contour by the help of this scale down below. So if you zoom out, you can see how the contour looks like. If you are satisfied with the result, tap on the check mark icon down below to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.